Good morning, Lenape. Welcome back to Lenape Live. I'm your host, Bilal and Erika.
And I'm your host, Erika Dorset. It's Wednesday, November 6th, and we're back with an all-new episode.
Make sure to stick around. This is Lenape Live.
That was our new Lenape Live opener produced by Grace Kovach. It's a tradition for students in the broadcasting media class to make their own version of the Lenape Live opener, and then the students throughout the digital media classes vote on the winner. Congratulations, Grace.
What a great way to kick off the 4-day weekend. With Election Day yesterday, many were expecting a long wait for results to be final. But unlike the last election, former President Trump was declared the winner, with several states still yet to be decided.
You know what's not scary is the fact that I won't be seeing another election ad for the next 4 years. As you can see, the studio is back to normal. No more spiders and spooky lighting.
Speaking of spiders and crazy lighting, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child is a month away from opening. Make sure to get your tickets now before they sell out.
For all you Halloween lovers out there, Tommy and Mia made a Halloween special for their segment, TTMM.
Halloween segment, so I'm getting to see these lovely costumes right here.
I'm the Lorax. I'm Adam Sandler.
What are you gonna be for Halloween?
I'm gonna be Dorothy. What's your costume?
Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice.
I'm gonna be a police officer.
Magic Mike.
I'm being a cheetah, and I'm being Catherine Pierce from Vampire Diaries, and I'm being a football player.
I'm being Snow White and a butterfly.
Alvin. Simon! Theodore! What are you guys for Halloween?
Stitch.
I'm also Stitch. I'm the Holy Sister, I'm a nun.
Can you guys do an impression?
Scream.
Batman. Chewbacca.
And can you do an impression of your costumes?
What's up? I'm Batman.
Joy.
Can you do an impression?
Hi, I'm Joy. And can you do an impression of Beetlejuice?
I could try. What is something he says?
He doesn't.
Oh, wait, I know.
It's showtime. The first rule of Fight Club is you don't talk about Fight Club. And then the second rule of Fight Club is going to be you don't talk about Fight Club. And that's my impression of Tyler Durden for Fight Club.
Like so unique about your costume.
It's a squirrel, it's got a tail.
Nice, thank you.
Halloween weekend was so much fun. I had a great time getting ready and spending time with my ghouls.
I totally agree. I love seeing the students and staff participate in the festivities last week. Next up, Samir and Kai went around asking people what they were for Halloween.
So who are you being for Halloween?
I'm the Joker, baby.
You want the whole school to see that? Okay then. So who are you being for Halloween?
I am the bald eagle. I am the representation of America.
I'm the White Rabbit, and I'm late to our meeting, so peace out.
I think it's pretty self-explanatory.
No, I genuinely can't tell. Genuinely. I don't know. I need you to explain the joke to me.
I'm Bobo the Clown.
I'm a horse. I'm being Benjamin Franklin.
I am a D1 lifeguard. That's why I am today.
You look great. You look amazing.
I'm being a dragon rider, you know what I'm saying? See my dragon?
I'm embarrassment. I'm embarrassment from inside out, too.
So who are you for Halloween?
Tyler, the Creator.
The fit goes hard. It goes hard.
I'm Elle Woods.
I'm a chemical burn honey the woo.
I'm being the Lorax.
I'm being Ghostface.
I'm being a clown.
I'm a newsie. Really? You look like my dad.
That's it for this week's episode of Lenape Live.
Make sure to keep up with us on Instagram at Lenape Digital Media and stop by ND25 to see how you can be involved with our show.
Enjoy your 4-day weekend, Lenape, and we'll be back next Friday, November 15th for an all-new episode. But until then,
Have a great weekend, Lenape.